Hey guys, well, we got a bumper cover, which is really, really cool because it's going to save us a crap ton of time. And this one's pretty good.
It is.
Pretty good.
It is.
Yeah, there's...
Who would have thought you could get excited over a plastic bumper, right?
I know, right? If you want
So,
to come in and look
we
at
think
this.
we think it's an original one that's been painted already, but
Yeah.
we're not sure. If we look over here, there's a sticker there, but I don't know if it's from Hyundai or it's not.
Right.
But it has the pieces that attach to the quarter panel. They're rusty.
Right.
But they're usable. I mean, that's the thing. We're actually playing around with 25-year-old antique, Korean antique parts.
Right.
So.
Right. I'll roll it over.
There's no damage on the inside from what we can see, right?
No.
There was nothing in each corner. There was no body filler,
no.
Which was a big deal. So we see that someone painted it with like black primer, some kind of, it's runny, like it looks really awful.
It's terrible if you look at it. It was a really bad paint job.
Totally. But what's underneath of it was right here. Yeah. Here's the turquoise.
Yeah.
So
you can see some here on this side, actually.
Oh yeah, right at the top.
If you look right there.
Yep. Yeah, so this is pretty much sanding it down till we get to the turquoise.
Right.
And then it's a scuff and go kind of thing. There's no body repair to it, which is so exciting to get it, because we looked on eBay for a bumper for one of these cars and there was nothing offered.
Nope.
Like no aftermarket supply. Because Gail, because it's an antique Hyundai.
It's an old car.
It's literally, we're dealing with an antique Korean car that we're going to bring back. We're bringing back to even better light. But so that's the bumper.
Yep,
so then you want to show them the reason why we got it. There's two major problems. You show them where the problem is, because we parked it in the sunlight so you can actually see where this. Because Ray walked us around and gave us some approval on this.
Yeah.
Look how punched in it is.
Yeah, this is really damaged right here.
He said that there was just time to repair that and straighten all that out. The bumper cover was too easy.
Yeah.
And then in the middle and the bottom, there's a big gouge, like someone backed over it. Some kind of curve. Look at the scratches, Gail, down by the exhaust pipe. See that?
Here.
They're so deep that...
They are.
You couldn't even see if the sand and fill, and plus this bumper's got chips and...
It looks like they maybe backed it into rocks
or
something.
You absolutely 100% backed into rocks. But we're pretty confident this is still the original bumper. So when we take it off, all the hardware should be in pretty nice shape.
Yeah, well, we did get some from the junkyard.
Yes, well, we'll show that bag in a minute. So that's the bumper, and that's that, huh, for the bumper. So
I know, it's awesome.
So we ready for next part?
We are.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Go, man.
Our next juicy piece.
I asked Gail earlier in the day when we were driving back, like, what was her favorite score at the junkyard?
Yeah.
Well, we're looking at it, guys.
This.
Yeah, hold it right, lift it up a little bit, Gail. I'm letting the reflection too high. Roll it back down a little bit more. Keep going. Right about there. I'm letting them see there. Look at there's no dents on it.
Nope.
Because this video is about why we're getting this.
Yes.
I mean, look at the surface of that.
I know. It's
I mean, you can see Gail's reflection in it. There is literally, we didn't see one little mark in this thing.
Nope.
And that's why she's just absolutely in love with it.
Because this, again, is going to save us gobs of time.
Oh my God, tons of time. Yeah.
Yep.
All the emblems are intact. Everything just looks really good.
Yep.
I think I saw two little teeny tiny marks up here.
Yeah.
There's like two little itty bitty somethings. We're not really sure.
Yeah, but you're not even going to see that by the time we're done.
No. So we don't roll it over and show them the back of it.
Sure.
Yeah, because this was the reason for the season right here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to gut this thing out, and pretty much Gail's gonna be scuffing herself. She's gonna be a scuff queen.
I am.
To scuff this all out, and when Ray's gonna just edge it, so we have a nice trunk lid.
Yeah.
And look, it has the provisions for the wing.
Yes.
We have a very rare optional wing from a 2002 Elantra.
Yeah, we do.
With an LED light in it, which we fixed already.
Right.
But this is going to be wired into the brake lights. But it's got all the provisions we need for the wing. And I think we have to drill one little hole in the middle somewhere. I don't recall. But
yeah. I think it's going to be just perfect.
Oh, it's going to be fantastic. So like that's just a lot of preparation.
Yeah.
And then we'll show them why.
Yeah, let's go over and look at the trunk.
I think we have a previous video of when we started doing this.
Yeah.
I mean, this is
only a little bit of what we circled.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, this trunk isn't.
It's too much hail damage. It's just for the amount of work it's going to take for us to fill all these little holes.
Yeah.
And we were messing around with the paintless dent repair.
Right.
I mean, it's just the labor time for us to cut a new one, like edge a new one and respray it. I mean, all this stuff has to come apart anyway. That's the thing. And look at them all.
It's going to save us so much time.
Yeah. Yeah, so once she saw that in the junkyard, she was like,
my eyes sparkled.
Oh my God, she was like the happiest thing ever coming with this.
I was so happy to have it because I just know how much time it's gonna save us.
Well, here's the thing too, is that this is an antique Korean car, and there was a time when there were lots of these in junkyards.
Oh, yeah.
And now what's happening is the leftovers of what is literally clawing at its to live.
Yeah.
Like I think we're the only ones in the entire country on YouTube who is going to restore and repaint one of these cars and make it look super hot again, because there's nobody doing that. And the cars that are in the junkyard are what were the remnants of, literally the remnants of what's left on the road.
It's funny that gold one looked better than this one. I mean, it's not, but
yeah. Well, the next part.
It just was amazing how much better the paint looked on it.
On which one?
On that gold one.
Well, yeah. Well, that's the next video.
Yeah.
Was because
right.
This is the only thing we can do on this job, is we have to do it this way, because if we don't, we're going to have massive amounts of hours in body work, and you'll see the reason why we got the next part you're going to see is more reason why we're going this route. But is that all? I think that's about it with the trunk lid.
The trunk, yeah.
All right.
We have a door.
Holy moly, I'll help you from the bottom if you want to lift it up to me. All right, you got it? I'm going to lift it up. Okay. Hold on. Which side do you want to show them?
We'll lay the inside door down.
All right. You got it. I got this bottom. You just got to get the top. We'll pick it up.
Okay. There we go.
Does it feel like it's okay on the table here?
I think so, yes.
All right. Well, this is the first time, guys, that we're literally looking at it off the car.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks so much better than the one that's on the car.
Let's have a look at that closer, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, there's not much there.
No.
Want to lift it up? We'll show them can you lift the door up so we can see if it with
sure
the. I think on the very bottom there was some really small little stuff to fix. Like, I can't remember where it was, but there's like one right there. Little teeny little.
Bitty, like from a rock.
Something, yeah. But look at the surface. It's got scratches on the clear coat.
Yeah.
But that's it. Gail hauled this thing out here. She hauled that all the way down to the pay booth.
All the way down.
She did. Look how nice it is.
It is. It's really nice.
Yeah.
It's so much better than the one.
Oh. Yeah, you want to show them that?
Yeah.
All right. Will it stay on its own?
Yep.
I think so, yep.
Yeah, this door here is just.
Oh yeah, the sunlight's doing it good here.
Yeah.
I'll just come in on it.
It's so
just point. You can point out like all the.
Oh yeah.
It looks like it rubbed on something and it literally pushed it in so hard that it's against the door beam.
Yeah.
You see that?
What's amazing when it did it though, it didn't even break the paint.
Nope, it just scuffed. It just pressed up against. I mean, it is just.
Ray
was like, "No way, guys."
Yeah.
He was like, "No way."
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, he said dude, we'd have to skin it.
Yeah.
And like, all right, well, we have to get a skin and then we're going to go through with all that. No, we're going to just get a clean door, which we went to the junkyard and it was the closest you pick and pull to our house.
Yeah.
And by chance there was only 2 in the junkyard, but one was an 06. Was that an 06, that door? A 5. Well, it's the same exact body car, so we got lucky that the 06 door still fits. Look at that. It's just the same. The only thing they did was they changed the trim piece.
Right.
Right, and that's that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with this door.
Yeah, this is.
It was a hot day in the yard, but we got what
Man.
we needed.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, that's gonna be the only thing that's different is this trim piece, which is just you just take
Yeah.
it off with screws.
The
But
glass in it's original.
yeah,
Yeah.
we got a spare door handle and a spare door regulator
Yeah.
out of all this.
I
But
know.
this is gonna have all the trim removed. It has to have all the moldings removed. It has to be pretty much gutted out.
Yeah.
So Ray can paint the other side of it because it is gold.
Right.
And what we didn't realize was on the door. Let's show him this. When you open the door up, I didn't realize that this was color keyed. It was color keyed. All of that
Yeah, all of
area
this.
is, yeah, look, it's all painted. So we have to pretty much gut this baby out. And so Ray can cut it in. So we've got a bunch of parts that we have to have Ray do that. We also, do you want to tell him about the fender? Or do you want to wait till you get the fender?
Well, we were not successful with a fender, which worked out all right anyway, because I ended up finding a Kappa fender online for a really good price.
Yeah.
And it's unpainted, it's primered, so it's
A
perfect.
scuff and go.
It's a scuff and go.
Yeah, because everything in the junkyard is all rotted away because
Yeah.
all the mud collects in behind it.
'Cause this,
It's was all rotted. So I just cut it off of Gail's fender just so she can drive the
yeah,
car.
'cause it was pretty ugly looking.
Oh, it was just crumbling mess. But
Yep.
the fender was just a really tough thing to get because all the bottoms are rotted away. I'm like, well, I told her, I said, let's just get a Kappa fender because they're pretty much OEM style quality
Right.
stuff. And it's a hang and go. It's a scuff and hang. That's it.
Yep.
We don't got to monkey around with patching a panel. There was nothing to really patch. And
No.
there's no replacement parts for, you buy patch panels like this car. We have to keep remembering it's an antique.
Yeah.
Excuse me. It really is an antique.
It is.
So finding
It is,
antique car parts for a Korean car
I know.
is just the fun of the whole matter. But
is.
so that's that for
yeah,
that.
this door's
Oh, you
gonna
know
be
what
good.
else? Should we do we care about all the little bags of screws and all
I'll
that
get
stuff?
that. Yeah.
Do you want to show? You want to show them
Yeah,
what you
let me
got
go
there?
get that.
All right. Those boots are made for walking. That's just what they'll do.
Well, make sure you get me walking away.
Yeah, I didn't edit it. Just something less you got to do.
So we got a nice bag of hardware. Well, this is I call it a louver. I don't know if that's actually what it is, but
Looks
it's
like a
for
louver. The
The
bumper.
fog light.
Yeah, on
Yeah.
the front underneath.
Yep.
Passenger side, right in the front, there's a little grill where a fog light could be. And Gail, I don't know, a rock flew through it and it actually busted her washer bottle. All her washer fluid leaked out.
Yeah.
So we ended up just getting a new one of those, which
Yep,
was,
and then we got
2
this
screws and then
Bag of hardware here
hot dog.
with the cigarette lighter,
Yeah,
which is for a project that we'll talk about later.
yeah.
And we have all our
Mud flap hardware, all the stuff that pretty
and the thing
much.
for the visor.
Yeah, we
We're
got
gonna
that.
Spray that.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
I know, it's awesome.
So yeah, I would say it was a hot,
Man.
very hot,
Yeah,
but very successful day at
Yeah.
the yard.
yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah.
So that's that. And
Yeah.
we'll just go on the next part, right?
See you next time.